At the age of 11, I came across this photo of a flaming volcano. It left an unforgettable memory of thrill and wonder. It was something I had to see with my own eyes. With this passionate dream long kept at heart, I have come to Vanuatu. On my way to the Marum crater in the Ambrium Island, there was so much vitality everywhere my eyes looked. Their lives filled with vibrant colors and happiness, just from appreciating the simple things in life. Sometimes you find new things in what once could have been overlooked. And sometimes you meet new friends along the journey. The closer I look at their world, the more I find it captivating, without a single ounce of dreariness about the island. Although you may feel alone, if you just look around a little, you'll notice there are many friends around you. Some moments along the journey may be delayed by fascinating scenery, but we find happiness in this and take some time to appreciate it, as well as finding the energy to continue. At the top of the volcano, I unexpectedly came across someone. Jeff, a volcano adventurer who was also on his way to the volcano. Now I have a companion to accompany me on this journey. Jeff, who is the world's best professional volcano adventurer, said his dream also started from a photo in an old magazine, just like me. Maybe the volcano recognizes those who are chasing their dreams. The Marum crater finally shows its form. The heart of the earth, Ambrium. Jeff says maybe this photo taken today will become someone else's dream. After all, that's how Jeff and I were led to this place. Simple is the new smart. LG G3.